Ready? Please start. So, 200 something miles away, Mikey is currently using some alien software controlling my computer. This is hacking.
It's gonna look at your porn stuff in your computer.
Oh no. So the situation is the car kind of starts, but it doesn't idle well. Maybe something with fuel, like not, I don't know. Oh, he's already uploading to ECU. Jesus, this man is a legend. I think this is it. I think we're close. It's really cold. Did you open it? Oh my god, because you opened the door. Oh, it's really cold. I'd rather die of carbon monoxide than die of cold. I don't know what any of this means. Xcamp, ChemT, MD. I just feel like I'm gonna...
It's nice that you can just remote, you know.
This is crazy to me.
This is Will Al Young level, dude.
I know. He's just done another tune. He just made some more changes and like uploaded already. Okay, go ahead and try to start it. Come on, Con.
Tell me to shut. Your supercharger's spewing oil.
Jesus Christ. Why is it spewing oil? Not what I want to make for the video. Not in the best of feelings, emotions. It's not ready. It's supposed to be ready, but it's not. We're really close. It's just somehow we forgot that the supercharger needs a oil return line. So I don't know what to say. I'm gonna do everything else I can to try and get the car ready, and we'll figure something out. But at the moment, there's nothing I can do. I'm not skilled enough to do it. We don't have the proper fitting needed to do it. Oh well, let's keep chugging along. I'll do the fenders now, I guess. Okay, so this is this is cheerful news time. The supercharger issue might be solved. We'll see. I'll keep you guys posted. I'm running out of 10 mil for the rear flare, so I'm just gonna quickly borrow some off the AE86 here, because turns out the 86 has quite a lot of 10 mils. Yeah, now you can't say I don't have 86 on my S2000. This is literally JDM bolts from 1985. Sorry, 86. I know we haven't been putting it together lately, and we really should. But super loud first, function first, and then go fast, look good. Oh, this is pretty slow, but thank you. Sorry, Shine Auto project. Your product looks way prettier than this. It's just, this is the best your boy can do. And I know there's not color match. I haven't cleaned that. That's why this looks so much brighter on camera. And I know all of the hardware are ugly silver from 1985. But when necessity comes calling, you have to do whatever the hell you can do. I haven't even bothered taking off the white line stickers from underneath, so... Because, well, look at the mountain we have ahead of us. I think taking stickers off is less of an importance at this moment. Got this under control. I think. Starting to think going to Chicago now is not such a bright idea. As you can tell, it's no longer night. It's not even snowing on this side of Michigan. Yeah, also wind noise, and there's quite a lot of whizzing noises out the back. Nobody mentioned to me surge tank will actually sound like that. So, and I've got all of the warning codes on the dashboard that I gotta fix. Yeah, business as usual. An hour and 33 minutes to go, and then it will be a TF. It's been days. We've been working on it so hard. Brian basically didn't sleep for like a night. We pulled it together by like 3 a.m. I made it to Chicago by 10. It's after a snowstorm on winter tires. Yeah, it's finally here. It's finally kind of working. Tune session coming up. Mikey the Wizard is going to do the honors. Let's see how much power we can make. I have no idea.
Well, it looks and smells like coolant, I think. It smells like coolant.
It does. Do you want cool?
Splash everywhere.
Do you think one of the coolant pipes just went, or?
I don't know. Like I said.
Barely started, did we?
What?
It barely started, right?
I smelled a little bit when we came in, but
Yeah.
it's kind of hard to say.
Cars on the flatbed. Getting out of here. Everything went very wrong last night. Yeah, no, this is all fuel. You can see it. That stupid car leaked all over. So
It ain't going anywhere.
yeah. Well, this is the fastest it's gone all day. So nobody knows what's going on there.
No one knows.
All right. So what's the plan? Take that off? Fuel rail off? Or
So now we're gonna inspect the regulator because you can see she's a little loose.
yeah. Apparently it's supposed to be able to move. Oh, there it goes. It's squirting fuel there.
Yeah, so this fitting right here was a little loose. This one was tight, but this fitting was loose, so we're gonna see if that was the issue.
Okay.
I'm going to inspect this, do some research, make sure that this is supposed to be like this.
Oh, you already put the coolant piping thing back on?
The hose clamp for the coolant, upper coolant hose is on.
Okay, cool. At least we don't have that issue to deal with anymore. A brief nut and bolt check,
Yes.
I feel.
Yes, brief nut and bolt check in the engine bay, make sure everything's tight and ready to go,
Okay.
and make sure you don't have any problems with COTA.
All right, let's do this.
A little bit of a drippy boy.
It's still leaking.
It's fine.
Putting this here one by one. This one got pinched pretty bad. So what is this? So fuel just leaks out from here, correct?
Yes, so that could cause fuel leak. It doesn't look like it did,
Yeah.
but that is definitely not okay to keep in there. So
Okay, that's not
something
okay.
we're gonna have to replace.
All right.
That looks fine.
So it's just loose.
It wasn't exactly loose. None of the O-rings seem pinched or anything.
Okay.
It's not pinched.
Okay.
Seems to be fine.
Yeah. It's pretty much all disassembled, right?
Yeah. So this is some. This is the only thing that is
Yep.
left, but it wasn't leaking from here, so we're just
Yep.
gonna leave it.
Okay, sure.
Yeah. Just
Hope
do
it
some
doesn't leak.
inspection, make sure everything's tight, make sure everything's clean,
Mm-hmm.
and do another test on it.
Cool. Thank you.
So we were getting a fuel leak down this elbow. So what we're thinking is we were getting a leak from back here.
Yeah.
So what we're gonna try to do is just remake the line with a new fitting, and then hopefully that stops the leak.
So we're not gonna even use this line.
No, this line's gonna be garbage. We're just gonna reuse this fitting,
Okay.
and then we're gonna put a new fitting up here.
Sure. Nice. You join me on what is about to be the dumbest idea ever. But then I don't give a crap. But I don't give a crap. Cause we're making Superlap no matter what. I can't tell my beating heart to say calm down, you're being stupid. Just don't go. I can't do that. I've given up way too much stuff for this one event. I'll explain that in a future video, whatever. Problem is, that S2000 you see in front of you is fucked. Reason is because the Supercharger, I happen to may have run around with it without oil going to it. Because the self-lubricating oil, somehow all the oil came out and didn't work anymore, so it was just making very squeaky noises, and inside the Supercharger, things is fucked. Everything else on the car is good. So my plan right now is, very simply, to replace the injectors back to OEM ones, cut the Supercharger belt, bolt up a K&N intake from NA, and go. Problem is, we also have a trailer that Fiona recently purchased, but there's a trailer lock on it, and she decided to not give me the key to said trailer lock, so I can't load it up. So I have one non-functioning car, one non-functioning trailer, and I'm supposed to get to Texas from Chicago, Illinois. What the fuck? Let's try our best to make this work. We have no time also. There's a 17-hour drive down. It's already Thursday night. We're supposed to be there Friday night. So let's do this as quickly as possible. Good news. We have everything we need to fix a car. 4 injectors. Here's a $1 million question. Should I fix the car here in Chicago, outside the TF? Or should I drag it down to COTA and then fix it on the spot? I'm kind of leaning towards the latter because it's already like 8. I want to hit the road or else I'll get really tired and just not move. You know what I mean? Maybe we do that. Let's go get the trailer first. Yeah? This is huge. Yeah. I thought it was just like a regular...
Good. Oh my god, that was scary. You almost slid off. Like so close. Oh yeah, watch out. Whoops.
It is, let me check time, 11:44 p.m. and that's good to go, I think. That's mostly loaded up. This is gonna be janky because they don't have a trailer brake controller for now. Next, we've got tools. I'm gonna start working on the engine. So the situation is, whatever's inside that supercharger is confucted. We gotta take that thing off, this pipe off, I think. Change out the injectors in the fuel rail. Put on the K&N filter. And then basically leave the supercharger, leave everything else on it, still on it, and just race it like that. I don't have the energy to try and unbolt this, and God knows what other plugs would go wrong if I try to. You know, so it's best to leave this on. Also, I have to cut the supercharger drive belt, which is over there. I'm gonna have to finagle my way into that belt and try and cut it off. All right, wish me luck. Rather surprisingly, a boy's dying. Yeah. I can't speak anymore. Rather surprisingly, a boy's doing not bad. Intake is mostly off. The belt has been cut. That intercooler thingy is off. Anyways, supercharger is actually relatively simple to take off. There's 3 bolts on this side. There's 1 on this side. This thing might just come right off. After which I can put the OE intake on and then maybe worry about the fuel rail. Yeah, I'll do that real quick. Not supposed to really make that noise, I don't think. I mean, it still spins. Sorry, Paxton, I'm gonna have to send this in and probably get a different one. Here are the injectors. Left on your left is the OEM one, on your right is the aftermarket I just pulled out. They do look quite different, so I'm gonna hope they fit. Otherwise, we might have an issue. We're up, getting out of here. Issue is the intake and stuff is off relatively easily. Somehow the injectors wouldn't fit. I'm asking around, maybe because I have a broken injector. Gonna try to head to Texas and maybe find help there. If not, car's gonna be out of action this weekend. I asked a friend who worked for Honda who can order it. He said there's only 1 injector left in all of America that will fit the car, and it's in California. So yeah, I don't know what's our solution. Maybe it's best to just leave it and deal with it later, but I'm too dumb to give up. Yeah, I'm gonna head out to Texas. No, 17 hours. It's 1 a.m. in the morning. Be there in 17? I don't know. God, it's a long drive. Let's get on with it. So you know the craziest thing, right? We just arrived in Texas after, what is a 16-hour cannonball run. We're in Houston, not even Austin. This is Houston. Tomo found a friend in Texas on Facebook and told me to message this guy. And I come to his house and just look at this. It's freaking nuts. You don't mind me showing some of this?
Yeah, go for it.
This is Dean.
Hey, what's up?
He's a fucking badass. Just look at this. It's crazy. And thank you so much.
Yeah, for sure, absolutely.
For literally late night trying to get that piece of shit working before tomorrow. I'm doing so much dumb shit right now. He even got me pizza and a chair.
For sure. We gotta sit and eat, right?
It's all good. Parts first, car first. I think we figured out why the injector wouldn't go in. Here's the OEM one. It has this cap thingy looking here. Well, this thing isn't supposed to come off on an 06 to 09. It slipped off the trailer. Never. Jesus Christ, the camera's more important than myself. This orange cap thingy looking thing, I think that's supposed to stay on the 06 to 09. Problem is, the aftermarket one didn't come with one. At least when it came off the car, it didn't have one. And what I'm thinking is that there's something inside where the injector used to sit that just come off and is left in there. So we'll try to pick, it looks like there's something in there, so we're gonna try to pick that thing out and then put the original one back in. And I think we should be set to go. Load up the tune, plug up one vacuum line, and that should be it. We're like super close. Stay tuned.
Oh yeah.
Oh, it is the O-ring. Oh, it's the injector O-ring that sits around it. Okay. It must have just fallen in or something. Yeah, there it is. There's our issue of why we can't put the freaking like OEM injectors back in, and I had to break one. God damn it! I'm such a dummy. It cost me myself like $100 or something. Air filters on, sensors on. I don't fucking know. I'm just super exhausted. We got.
Yeah, it's 2 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah. Oh, the stock injectors are back in. My old tune is loaded up, but Mikey the tuner said it's gonna run very rich because it didn't account for all of the different fuel changes we made. We have double Walbro 450 pumps, one in the surge tank, one in tank, return fuel system, fuel rail, pressure regulators, so on and so forth. There's a lot of stuff going on, but I just wanted to get it to run. All right, ready to start. Let's go.